Hello everyone, let's try to create this presentation and see what is so special about this presentation. Okay, let's run it. You see it has a nice transition that we can use. Let's see how we create it. Okay, at first we need to create the first slide. You see here, this is the first slide and how we create this. Okay, let's go and see how we create this. We just simply need to format the background at first. The background, we format background and paste our picture from here, insert. We have the picture here, the picture of Sydney, and then this is a simple text. We go to shape format and use the format we want for the shape, any format you like. And this text is just a simple text, but what is different about it? This shape. This is just a rectangle created from here and set the transparency to low. Now, what we should do, we should create the transition. How we can do that? We need to create these shapes. I delete them to create them by myself again for you to understand better. We delete all of them. Now, we just simply copy this slide. I need to cut them for now. Now let's go to shapes and insert shapes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's taking so time because of that I press Ctrl A and then go all in. Ctrl A, no, Ctrl A is a lot. We press Ctrl and then the shapes has been copied. Okay, now I select some of them, press Ctrl and copy them and then rotate them. You see we can't rotate them like this. Because of that, I'm going to Ctrl one of them, rotate them, put it here, then increase it in size 1, 2, 3, then select 3 of them and go up. Okay, now I want to do what? 1, 2, 3, 4. I delete 4 of them, then select these 4 and set the shape format to shape outline none and shape format to black. Then select all of them and set the shape outline to none. Then we select these 3 and make the color white. Now we just simply copy this text, paste it here and send them to back. Now we copy this text. Here is important what we do. I put them out like this and then just select the whites, just the whites, bring them out, and just the blues, bring them out. Now set the transition to morph. Let's see what is happening. You see it's very useful and beautiful. You can use it whenever you want. Don't forget, if you need something, ask me in the comments. I will answer you, and please like and subscribe. Until the next time, have a nice time.